I'm going to do a quick auction preview for our auction tomorrow. It will be on my channel starting at 8 Eastern, 7 Central. So let's see some of the things we have. We have some motorcycle bears from the post office. They're vintage. Monsters, Inc. toys. There's a Disney lot. Some wireless headphones. Really nice PS3 game lot. This cool teapot. A Vera Bradley bag. This is a reseller makeup lot. There's all kinds of makeup in here. We have a huge lot of Hot Wheels. A lot of them are older. This is a mystery jar of jewelry. We have a reseller lot of swimsuits right there. This guy is so fun. You have to see him. He's gonna be up for sale. Really cute. Who doesn't want that? He does 3 different songs, kind of similar. Look how cute this is, a little hedgehog bracelet. This is a proof set from Coin Collectors. This is a hat full of Zeus, and while the other books that are banned are not allowed on eBay, this one they do not know, but If I Ran the Zoo is in this book, and it is going for quite a bit on eBay. And then we have a big old lot of makeup accessories there, great for resale. Okay, that's mostly what I have for this week, and this is only half of what's at the auction because Jen's Closet Gems will have all of her items. Of course, lots of giveaways and fun times, so we will see y'all tomorrow.